Hello, Leshark here with your Phuket weekly weather update for the first week of January. Happy New Year, everybody! And as you can probably tell, I'm still in England, but I leave today. So next week I will be back in Phuket in the sunshine, hopefully with a tan and not pasty white like this. Anyway, enough about that. If you want to know what the weather's doing for this week in Phuket and what are some of the best tours to go on, then stay tuned. Got it? Good. And look behind me. There's Jay. Yay! Hello, Jay here again. Obviously know that because I just did the intro with lots of Jays. And Happy New Year again. I hope you had a good one. I watched the fireworks in London. Not live, unfortunately, but on the TV, which was cool. And then we had a lovely walk on the 1st of January. In fact, here's a picture of my son holding ice. Don't get much ice in Phuket, that's for sure. And looking forward to 2026, Year of the Horse. If you're into that kind of thing. Nay, and all that. Right, anyway, you want to know what the weather's doing in Phuket for the first week of January, then you're in the right place, because I'm going to tell you before I then have to pack and then fly on a plane with one teenager and one 11-year-old, 2 planes for about 18 to 20 hours. Sounds like fun, doesn't it? Yeah, right. Anyway, here we go. This is our windy, and once again, I apologise for the small screen. It won't be like that next week because I'll be back in my house. But this is Phuket here in the middle. You've got Phi Phi down here, Phang Nga Bay here, and the Similolons Islands are up here. And we're on windy, as I said. Purple is good. That's no wind. Blue is a little tiny, little windy, itsy bit of wind. Green is more wind. Yellow's more wind. Orange is more wind. And then, are you ready, Miguel? If it's Ron Burgundy...
I'm Ron Burgundy?
That's right, then it's really windy. I've never seen a Ron Burgundy in Phuket, but maybe one day we will. I hope not, because we definitely won't be going out in the water. But anyway, here we go. So this is Sunday, the 4th of January. And as you can see, it's a little bit green here, so it's a little bit windy going down to Phuket, Phi Phi, but nothing to worry about for Sunday. Not that you're probably going out, because if you're watching this, it comes out on Sunday afternoon, so pointless really. And this is Sunday afternoon, a bit more windy, so those people that are in Phi Phi at the moment, coming back to Phuket, it might be a little bit bouncy, but nothing to worry about. It's only a light green, nothing in Phang Nga Bay, so that's perfect, and Similon Islands should be okay as well. Phang Nga Bay is beautiful this time of year, especially on our new boat, Sean 1. That's right, you can do a 3-hour bioluminescence tour. Just a couple, without anybody, just the 2 of you. Just the 2 of us. We can make it if we try. Just the 2 of us. You and I. Yeah, anyway, right, let's look at Monday the 5th. Monday the 5th, once again, all purple all over here, but it doesn't matter because we don't go here. There's a little bit of green, but nothing to worry about on Monday the 5th. Monday afternoon, once again, looks pretty good. So down to Phi Phi will be cool. You go see Maya Bay, you go see Shark Point, you go snorkeling. You can even go down to Ratcha. Ratcha's down here, which is very nice too. Or Coral Island, which is down here. In fact, you could take Sean 1 to Coral Island. That's right, we're big up promoting Sean 1. It's a lovely little boat. You should go and check it out. It's perfect for a little half-day snorkeling trip, or like I said, the 3-hour bioluminescence tour is lovely. But Monday looks good. Let's look at Tuesday the 6th. Tuesday looks fantastic, no problems whatsoever. So you can go up to Phang Nga Bay, go see James Bond. You go to Hong Krabi, go check out the viewpoint. Be stunning views up there. Get a little picture. Lovely. That's the same picture you see as you fly in, like I will be, flying into Phuket. And maybe if I'm on the windows, I'm not on the window seat because my daughter takes the window seat. I have to have the aisle, and I get hit by the trolley coming down, by people walking up and down to go to the toilet. It's so fun. I love it. I don't love it at all. Tuesday afternoon, a little bit green, but that's nothing to worry about. It might be a little bit bumpy coming back from Similon Islands on Tuesday, but once again, it shouldn't be too bad. Let's look at Wednesday the 7th. Oh, Wednesday the 7th does look a little bit windy down in Phi Phi, so it might be a bit bumpy going down there. Let's look at Wednesday afternoon. Wednesday afternoon, nah, it's okay. Still won't be, well, it's the same as Wednesday morning, really. It should be all right. Don't worry about it. Thursday the 8th. Look at this. Similons, Thursday looks a great day to go to the Similons. It'll be beautiful there. Look, no wind whatsoever. Similons is awesome this time of year. It's full of coral, it's full of fishies, and you can swim with turtles. But don't touch them. Stay away from them and don't feed them. Just watch them in their natural habitat as they glide. They don't really glide, turtles, do they? They kind of look a little bit oafy. I think they look oafy as they go along. That's my turtle impression anyway. Right, let's look at Thursday afternoon. Thursday afternoon. Okay, you might have had no wind at Similar Islands coming back. Might be a little bit, but it shouldn't be too bad. It's only a light green. Same as PP should be okay. Pangar Bay, always good this time of year. Friday the 9th. Friday 9th looks great as well. Good time to go out this week. Looks fantastic. I'm pleased I'm going back. Oh, Friday afternoon does look a little bit, maybe coming back from Similar Islands. Might be a bit bouncy. PP and a little bit of rain. Oh, a little bit of, not rain, a little bit of wind. So Friday afternoon looks a wee bit windy, but once again, I say a wee bit. I'm exaggerating. It's still only green. It's not yellow. It's not orange. And it's definitely not Ron Burgundy.
I'm Ron Burgundy.
That's right. Let's look at Saturday the 10th. Saturday looks perfect. Great day to go out. I'm going to try to go out on Saturday or Sunday next week because I haven't been out for ages and I need to get rid of this white pasty thing and get some suntan. But make sure I wear reef safe sun cream, that's for sure. Okay, Saturday afternoon. Once again, a wee bit of wind, but nothing to worry about. The wind actually helps because it cools it down a little bit. It's nice and hot this time of year. Sunday the 11th. Oh, that's my dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Dad, for Sunday the 11th. Looks okay. Similar looks nice. Look, nice and purple up there. Sunday afternoon, a wee bit green, but once again, nothing to worry about. So the whole of next week looks fantastic. That's the wind, but what about the rain, I hear you ask? Okay then, this is acute weather, which is your standard weather forecast. I know it's white on white and it's very hard to see, but it basically says it's going to be 33 to 32, 33, 32 all week. It will feel hotter than that, that's for sure. And please, please make sure you wear sunscreen and reef-safe sunscreen, please. Rain-wise, 3%, so it's not going to rain next week, hopefully. I think I said that last week, and I think there were a few drops of sunshine, but they're just little showers, little sprinkling showers, just to cool it off. It doesn't cool it off, it actually makes it hotter, to be fair. And then on Tuesday, once again, 17%, that's nothing. But it's going to be quite hot next week, so wear a hat, slap on the sunscreen, and drink lots of water. And finally, let's look at the TMD weather radar, which is absolutely pointless because this is live. As you can see, it moves, which is quite good. You see these little bits of green, if you can see them, because it is quite small, and I can't expand it. That's right. Can I expand? Oh, no, it isn't a touchscreen, is it? No, it doesn't work like that. Anyway, TMD radar, pointless because that's live. But you can go on that if you want, when you want to check out what the weather's doing. It's a good thing to do if you're in Phuket. Right, well, there you go. That's your weekly weather forecast for the first week of January. Me, Leshark, and I will be back in Phuket in around about, as I look at my watch, I don't have a watch. I don't know why I'm looking at that. In around about, well, I arrive in about 20 hours, maybe 24 hours, because we're not getting picked up for a little while. Right, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you back in Phuket. Woo!